Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Julie new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't vote with me.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with a video, yes sir, today, man. We got an in-hand review of these Air Jordan 9 Retro Chili Red joints, man. I ain't gonna lie, personally, I passed on this shoe, but a lot of people, I wouldn't say a lot of people, but it's like a give and take situation, you know what I'm saying? But this shoe, overall, I give about 7 out of 10. Not too bad, but I think this shoe would definitely be nice in the summertime, you know what I'm saying? The sun gonna be out with the patent leather on the, you know what I'm saying, on the shoe, with the nylon. All that good stuff on this shoe gonna make the shoe pop even more. And the shoe is definitely super, super bright. So definitely said we're gonna get into detail of this shoe. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me all platforms down below, my TikTok, my Twitter, my Instagram, all that good stuff down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. But not further ado, man, let's get into the video. Until we get into the video, we got an in-hand review of this Air Jordan 9 Retro Chili Red. Retail price was $190. Comment down below, man, let me know you want a pair. You get a pair on Sneakers app. You wish you had a pair, you know what I'm saying? Let your boy know down below, man. But like I said, this shoe I rated about 7.5 out of 10. I'm not a really big fan of Retro 9s, but I do love the color of red. It just Retro 9s really not my taste in retros, I should say. But I know a lot of people like Retro 9s though. Ain't nothing wrong with it, you know what I'm saying? People got their preference on what they like, which is cool. But I'm just not really a big fan of Retro 9s though. Certain ones like, oh, them fire, them heat. But this one's like that's whatever. Because they said 10 years ago, I'm 23, so I was 13 at the time. I went into shoes. But they said this shoe is called the Motorboat Jones Retro 9s. Basically similar, here go a picture right here. Basically similar to these Retro 9 Chili Red joints, came out 10 years ago. So you can basically tell a resemblance from it. The whole upper is different, you know what I'm saying? The pad leather, of course, but the upper of the shoe, you know, had that nylon, that texture on the shoe. And also on the Jumpman on the side, you know what I'm saying, got your white Jumpman instead of the red. So you can definitely tell a difference on it. But the OG's like, man, I got these. Why would I get the Chili Red joints? So in case y'all didn't know, because I didn't know nothing about it, you know what I'm saying, gotta do a little research sometimes. But y'all ain't here for me to talk about all that good stuff, man. Y'all here for me to see the shoe in hand. So not further ado, let's go get the shoe out. Here they go, man. So the Air Jordan 9s, Retro 9s, Retro 10s. Some Retro 11s will come in this box right here. So you got your Jordan with your red Jumpman logo right in the middle. You got the size 10. It says Air Jordan 9 Retro Chili Red Black, size 10. And the retail price was $190. Right now, the price is not doing too bad resale wise. Like size 10 out last time I checked was like $250, $260. Not too bad. The tax was paying like $280, $290. So in case you really want this shoe. In case you really want this shoe. Actually, my bad, never mind. Exclude the retail price. The retail price wasn't $190. The retail price was $200. So after taxes was $215. My apologies, my bad. I forgot all about it, you know what I'm saying? Because today is Wednesday. And I forgot all about it, you know what I'm saying? So the retail price on these was $200. So after taxes was $215. Catch y'all like, hello, they $190. So I had to let y'all know before y'all call Nike and drill like, some YouTuber Jared once said, the Retro's $190. I don't want nobody emailing me, you know what I'm saying, DMing me like, hey, you said this, what's going on? So the retail price was $200, so our taxes would be $215, in case y'all didn't know. Just letting y'all know, man. Let's go get the joints out, man. Put that box to the side. Man, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 9 Retro Chili Red.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping.
Joints, man. You can just tell from the upper of the shoe that patent leather made this shoe pop. Like, bam! And it's the summertime too. Most definitely. My favorite part of Retro 9s, I will say, is the outsole. They says it's like a storytelling going on. The outsole is like international, something like that, like different type of languages and all that good stuff. So I'm not familiar with the outsole. If you are, comment down below, man. Let me know. I don't mind, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know a little bit more than me, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind it. I want to learn something too. But let's go get the other shoe out. Here they go, man. Air Jordan Retro 9 Chili Red. Like I said, 7.5 out of 10, not too bad. I think if they change the upper of the shoe, like if they didn't make that nylon, if they made like either suede or leather, I was like, all right, but that nylon ain't it for me. It's really not. But the patent leather on the shoe definitely pops out the shoe with hints of that black and that red. I wish that stitching had the like more black, not red on red with stitching. But hey, it's all good, man. But let's go and talk about the shoe, man. So on your outsole here, you got your black outsole with your red Jumpman logo, and also it says 2-3 right there as well. And also I said on the outsole, it's like a story or the international story. I'm not familiar with it, so if you know about it, comment down below. On the midsole here, you got your red Jumpman logo. Also got your mud guard right here with your patent leather red. Got your hints of the black on the outsole of the shoe. Like I said, on the midsole, you got your red patent leather. So the upper of the shoe, like I said beforehand, in case y'all can't really tell, can't see. So like I said, the upper of the shoe, you got your nylon material. So it's not the patent leather or suede or leather. It's a nylon material, aka they call it satin, like satin ones, you know what I'm saying, that material. So they call it nylon. I mean, it's okay, but it's not fitting the shoe in my personal opinion, but it's all good. And on the back of the heel here, you got your 23 with your Jumpman logo with the globe on the back of the heel. And on the tongue, you got your Air Jordan on the tongue. And inside of the shoe, got your red Jumpman logo. Overall rate, like I said, 7.5 out of 10. Not too bad, not too crazy. Just like like, why the nylon material on the upper of the shoe, man? Maybe because it might last long when they spill something, but no, either leather or suede. But people still like them, you know what I'm saying? The red, like I said, pops out. Summertime coming up, you know what I'm saying? Well, down there approaching, down there here, because it's already hot. Super hot. So, but these definitely will pop out in the summertime. Like I said, size run in Retro 9s. I always tell people go a half size up. Don't get your true size in Retro 9s. I'm trying to tell you, your feet gonna be here curling up. Go always go a half size up in Retro 9. So if you wear that 10, get that 10 and a half. You wear that 11, get that 11 and a half. So you get that 12 if you can, because these run small. I ain't never heard nobody say they run true to size. Nope. I tried on a Retro 9 before. I tried 11. Super tight. When I tried 11 and a half, it was cool. But that 12 fit me just right. So, but everybody's feet, you know what I'm saying, size would be different. But that's just my preference. Now I tell people, go a half size up in Retro 9s. Also, comment down below, man. Let me know, like I said, once again, if you cop this shit on the Sneakers app, you want on Flex app, anything like that, let you know, boy, down below. Oh, speaking of Flex app and all that stuff, I did win 2 pairs on the Flex app. I won one from Champs and one from Foot Locker. I didn't win no grade school sizes. I was like, why ain't win none? But we're going to see, man. We're going to see, but there's a lot of releases coming out this week and next week and the next following week. It's a lot of releases coming up, man. It's going to be crazy. So be ready for in-hand reviews, our own feats, all that good stuff, man. Make sure you follow me on my platforms down below, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, everything down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. That's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Catch y'all in the video, man. The other one is out. Peace.